Hello everyone, I am Preeti from EduRoop and I am a Java and MERN stack trainer also. Today in this session, we are going to learn a beautiful concept of the CSS box model. Okay, now I just want to create one file over here. The file name is boxmodel.html file. Okay, now what I'll do, I just want a division tag. In that division tag, I just wanted to take one heading. The heading name is CSS Box Model. Okay, one heading I took. After that, I just want one paragraph over it. The paragraph is Lauren. Okay, save it. I just want to display this in my web page. What I'll do, I'll just copy the path over here. Take any browser, not only Google Chrome. You can go to the Microsoft Edge, Internet Explorer, Safari, any browser you can take it. But I am using my favorite browser, that is Google Chrome. Okay, here can you see that heading and paragraph over it? Yeah, it is there. Heading is there and paragraph is there. Okay, for this I just want to apply a border concept. First we will learn border concept. Okay, here I just want to apply the border. So for that we will go for the CSS style tag. I am using it. Here what I'll do, I'll just call the div inside. I just want to apply the border over here. Border, okay, border. First it will accept three parameters here. First it will accept the first place as a border width. Border width I'll just give it as 5 pixels. Border style it will accept as a solid border style. Then border color, three places we have to use it here. First place what I have used here, border width and border style. Then coming to the part, color I just wanted to use. Color, let's say red. Okay, now you see, just go to the page and refresh the page. Can you see border is applied? This border applied, right? Okay, there are like many style borders are available. Border styles are available here. This I'll comment it. Commenting in the CSS commenting, how we will do. This is what the commenting means. Correct? Suppose if I commented means your border is now it's not there. It's done. It's gone. Okay. Here, what I'll do. Separately, I just wanted to give. This is what we call shorten property, which means that every parameter we are using in a single line. That is what we call it as in the CSS shorten property. For this, I'm just saying people for this. Okay, next what I'll do, I'll just give the border width separately. I just want to apply border width. Let's say 5 pixels. Next, border style. You go for a border style. How many are there? See, dotted. I just want to apply now. Next, border color. I just want to apply color. Let's say brown color. Save and just go here and just refresh. See the dotted line. The border it is applied as a dotted line. Is that visible to you people? Yeah. Border dotted it is. I have one doubt. The style, suppose border, if I take here, mm, border styles are there. Okay, let's say first as a solid, next as a dotted, next as double, next as many were there. Not only that, let's say solid, dotted, double. Okay, I just end it this way. Just go here and just refresh. What happened? Border gone. We applied border style, but it is not showing. Correct? You missed one parameter. That is the reason it is not showing here. What is that parameter? Again, I'll show you people. What we have: solid, dotted, double. You see that many were there. Not only this. Finally, I just want to give here dashed. See. Now you just see. Again, it is not applied. Why it is not applied? You have to mention border style here. Don't call as a only border. You have to mention the border style. See here, first I've just mentioned it as solid. Where it is solid, it is displayed top. Next dotted, it is displayed. Next double, it is double lines, it is coming right, it is double. Next what we have dashed. This is what the clockwise it is going to display the border style. Okay, and after this, you know, the borders are displayed, and borders we have applied it, and borders you learned it, how the things will be working on the border properties. Next, what I'll do, I just want to style the, see here, in the box model, there are like two parameters are very important. Firstly, the padding. Second one as a margin. Very simple. Padding, I just want to apply here 25 pixel. See, before is like this, 25 pixel padding. If I apply, what happens? Can you see the gap? It is coming here, and this side also. So let's say 50. All the size it is going to take. Okay, that is what shorthand property of a padding. See, 50 pixel, 50 pixel, 50 pixel. Here also 50 pixel. The gap between what? Border and the content. This is what a content we call. This is the content. Between the gap between the content and the border, we call this as a padding. Suppose, suppose if I'm taking a margin 50 pixel, save, and just refresh the thing. What happened here? It is coming space. Yes or no? It's space it is showing. Content to the border. If it is a space, then it is a padding. Border outside. Border outside. If you are getting a space, then it is a margin. Getting my point? Okay. Here I have applied padding and margin as your shorten property. What we call this as shorten property, which means that all the sides I can apply in single line. That is what shorten property. This I don't want everybody. What I'll do, I'll just comment it. Now padding left side only I just want. Padding left side only. Let's say 50 pixel left side. Just go and just refresh. Only at the left side you are getting a gap space. Okay. Observe this paragraph. If you just mark the line over here, it will be straight. But here it is not straight. That we can do. How? Call the paragraph over it. Text align justify. This is the property. You will get exactly, okay, a paragraph. Here, what I'll do, I need a gap over here. The space between the border and the content, I need a space. Then we will apply padding, right, 50 pixel. You can change the pixels. I'm just giving for a convenience. I've just given it as 50 pixel. Okay, here it is coming gap. Here it is. Okay, down I want this downside. What we can write it here? Padding bottom. Bottom side I just want 50 pixel. So let's say 100 pixel. See how much the gap it is coming. It is 100 pixel. Top if you want. Top. Padding top I want. Padding top 100 pixel I want. See the differences. Already see. Can you see the difference? 100 pixel. Here also 100 pixel. Here it is 50. Here it is 50 pixel. Okay. Just now. If you just click here, right click, go to inspect mode, you will get the layout like this. This is what the main theme of the CSS box model. Can you see that? This is the content part, this is the padding, and this is the border, which I have explained it already. And this is the margin, that is outside the border. First, you see that if I move cursor over there, it will be showing this is the content, this is the padding, this is the border, this is the margin. This is how the box model working in the CSS. Very important concept. Okay. And after this, you learned about now padding. Correct? Now, coming to the margin. Margin left. Left, how much I want? 50. See the differences? Left side, outside the border, I need to get what? 50 pixel. See? The space between this border to the outside margin, that is what margins. Next I want top side. Can we give? Yes, we can give top side. How much pixel? Let's say 50. Can you see the differences? 50 pixel. If you want more, you can give it as 100. Depends on you people how much you want it, you can give it. See, so much of difference. This is 50, this is 100. Next here also I just want which side it is? Right side. So margin right. There you just give 50 is better. See, it is created. And down also. Now it is no gap. Down also I just want. So what we can write it here? Margin bottom, how much ever you want, you can just give it. Can you see the difference now? Perfect. Now you understood what is margin, what is padding, and how to apply the border properties. Okay. Then I just want to give this CSS box model a scrolling text. How we can do that? Very simple. Here we have marquee tag. What we have? Marquee tag. See that? See that? Yeah, your text is scrolling now. I just want to increase the text speed. What we have? We have attributes over here. Scroll amount. Scroll amount. How much speed if you want, you can give it. I'll just give 50. Just see the difference. It is increasing the speed. It is too much, it is increased. So let's say 30 pixel is better. Okay, now it is moving. I just want to change the color of that color. Can we do that? Yes. I just want the color should be changed. Color, which color we can give? Anything. Better to go with the blue. See, go here and just refresh. Blue color it's displaying. Okay, and some concepts we have in the marquee also. Attributes which we are using. Behavior. Can we give? It is in a slide. I'll give. What happens is once it is going, it will be at the final. At the end, it is going to stop. This is what the slide. Suppose if I give alternate, what happens is understood. This is what the alternate. It will come and it will go back, but opposite. Okay, and loop. Do you know loop why it is used? How many times that scrolling should happen? That is what loop concept here. So let's say loop. I'll just give it as 3. See, 1 time, 2, 3. Stopped. Loop how many times I have given? 3. So it is stopped at 3. Let's count for 4. I'll just refresh. Correct? It is stopped now. Okay. For this paragraph, I just want to apply color. Now you understood the behavior, loop, scroll amount, direction. Direction also I'll explain you people. Direction is very important. Suppose always it is coming on the left side by default. Shall we keep right? See what happens. It will start at first here, right side. The scrolling will be right side. Okay? Scrolling will happen at a right side. But if I given left, left is by default. See, it is starting from here. Okay? Now, suppose if I given up, what happens? Because we given some loop, na? I'll just remove that. I will just remove alternate also. Can you see that? Upside it is going. Your text is going upside. Suppose I just want the downside. Can you give? Definitely. If you use top and bottom means it will not work. Up and down you have to use the values. Perfect. Okay, this is done. Now what I want, this we will give right only. Okay, right side if you want. Okay, now what I want, paragraph color I just want to change. How to do that? Very simple. Text color, let's say magenta color. Just refresh. Bold I want, bold color I want, I'll just write it bold. Now it is bold. Suppose if just cursor, if move to the paragraph, should give some hover effect. That I wanted to do. How to place the hover effect, everybody? So very simple. Hover, be hover, give the color. If you wanted to change the color. Let's see. And font size, I just want to change 30 pixel. Okay, now you just see. Can you see the differences? Now you are getting, it is too much big. Let's reduce it to the 10. Okay, now what I'll do, I just want some letter spacing in the paragraph. Letter spacing, how much you want, you can give it. This is much, 5 pixels I'll give. Can you see that? It's letter to letter, some space is available now here. Okay, in the heading also I just want letter spacing. You can apply, many properties are there. Okay, you can apply it. See, some gap will be available. Getting my point? And this is very simple. Now you understood exactly how the box model will be working. So thank you, and you will see many videos like this in upcoming videos. Thank you.